Hello, in front of me I have smartwatch DT93 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can wake up the screen on your watch by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, make sure that you're on the home screen, the current watch face, and then press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here we can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Now find the watch face you like to use and then tap on it to apply it, like this. You can also change the watch face through settings. To do it, swipe right on the screen to open the menu, like this. Scroll down, at the bottom tap on the settings icon. In settings find the display option and tap on it, and here tap on watch face switch, and here we have the watch face menu. Again, find the watch face you like to use and tap on it to apply it, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.